So good morning students. So already we started the lesson geography, the universal and the solar system. Already we seen universal, galaxy, Big Bang theory and the cosmology and everything. Is it or not? In solar system also we seen 4 planets already. Remaining 4 planets we want to see. Totally how many planets? Totally how many planets? 8 planets. What are that? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are all the 8 planets we have. That was segregated into two. First 4 is inner planet, second 4 is outer planet. Inner planet, what are that? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. We already seen. Now we are going to say about outer planet. What are that? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. First we are going to say about the Jupiter. Next, Saturn. Okay, so Jupiter, it is a, what is that? 5th planet. Is it or not? It is a 5th planet. Next one, it is a very biggest planet in the solar system. Very biggest planet. Very biggest planet in the solar system. And this Jupiter, the name given for this based on the king of Roman god. The king of Roman god. Okay, and another one, this Jupiter is filled with so much of the gases. What are the important gases? Mean hydrogen and the helium. Hydrogen and helium. And in this Jupiter we have number of natural satellites. In that some of the alone Io we can tell and Europa we can tell. These two and more examples also is there. More natural satellite is there. In that, some of the examples we have in our book. So, Io, Europa, this also. Okay. Biggest planet and the name given based on the king of the Roman god, and it's having hydrogen and the helium gases, and more natural satellite is there. In that, some of the examples we have Io, Europa, Celestial. Okay. These are all the familiar natural satellites in the Jupiter. Next we are going to say about the Saturn. So Jupiter is 5th one, means Saturn is the 6th one. Saturn is the 6th one and it is a second largest planet in the solar system. Second largest planet. Okay, and Saturn second largest planet. What is that? Second largest planet, and this Saturn alone having the rings. Ring is there. Rings is there. The rings are made up of ice, rocks, and some other dust particles. Because of this, the ring was formed around the Saturn. Okay, and it's also filled by the gases nitrogen and the helium. What are that? Nitrogen and helium. Sorry, methane. Nitrogen and the methane. Okay, and it's also having a natural satellite but countable. What are the countable means? 62 natural satellites available for Saturn. What about Jupiter means? More and maybe uncountable. But Saturn countable, how much? 62 is there based on our data. Okay, and here very familiar in this 62. One natural satellite is very familiar. The name is Titan. What is that? Titan. You can remember our watch company. Okay, watch company name is Titan. So these are all the important points for the Saturn. So 6th planet, second largest planet. The name given based on the Roman god agriculture. I left that point. So the Saturn name we got now. This is the name for the god in the Roman for related to the agriculture. Okay, agriculture god. Agriculture. Okay, based on that only they given the name for the god of the, what is it? God for agriculture. The name is Saturn. That name is given for that particular planet. Okay, so 6th planet, second largest one. It's having a ring. Ring was made by ice, rocks, and the dust particles. And the name given for this planet is based on the Roman god for agriculture, and it's filled by nitrogen and the methane. It's having how much natural satellite? 62. In that very important, which one means Titan. Okay, this is the details about these two. Okay, next we are going to see about the Uranus and the Neptune. Okay. So Uranus is the seventh planet. Is it not? Neptune is the eighth planet, far off from the sun. Okay. And this Uranus, the name given from the Roman god, based on the what is that? Sky. Here the Neptune, the name given by based on the Roman god sea. Okay. And it's having satellites actually 27. It's having a natural satellite, additional planets for this. How much means 27? Here 14. Here 14. It will be look in color. What is it? Completely green maximum. Completely green. Why? What's the reason? Means methane. Here we will get more methane. So it will be look green in color. It will be look green in color. Red in color we have on planet. What is that? Mars. Reason? Iron oxide. More iron oxide is there, so it will look red in color. Here it will be look maximum green. The reason is methane. Okay. Then Neptune, it will be look in a white and blue. White and blue. Okay, so the very important point, this only we have actually. So seventh planet, the god is based on sky. How many natural satellites means 27? It looking green. Reason is more methane gases is there. In the 27, another point for the Uranus. In the 27, more natural satellite actually. 27 is a more natural. But in that very familiar one is that. What is that? Titania. Titania. Okay, that is Titan. This is Titania. Okay, so this is one important point. Titan is Saturn. Titania is in Uranus. Differentiate that properly. Here, 14 is natural satellite. That's it. It is not very familiar with satellites. That's it. So this is all the important points. So Neptune, 8th, the Roman god sea, 14 natural satellites. White and blue color maximum will be look. Here, green in color. Reason methane. How many satellites is there? 27. What is the god based on sky? Number of planets? 7th. 7th number actually. How many total natural satellites? 27. Okay, very important natural satellite means Titania. Saturn, Titan. So that's it about solar system. Totally 8 is there. Already seen 4 before. Now we see the remaining things. What are the remaining? Jupiter we seen, Saturn we seen, Uranus we seen, and Neptune we seen. Okay, next we going to about some other compared to these, that all very small only. For that separate name is there. That alone we can see now. Okay. So what are that means?